In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Todoist by removing your project folders step by step. This is a quick way to clear out old projects, start fresh, and get your workspace back under control. If you've got a cluttered sidebar and you want a clean slate, this tutorial will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. Once you're inside Todoist, look over to your left sidebar. This is where all of your project folders are listed. To begin the reset process, hover your mouse over the first project folder you want to remove. As you hover, you should see a 3 dots icon appear next to the project name. This menu gives you more options for that specific project. Click the 3 dots icon, and from the menu that appears, click Delete. Todoist will then remove that project folder. This means all active tasks, subtasks, descriptions, and comments stored inside that project will be deleted as well. So make sure you only do this for projects you truly want to clear out. After deleting one project, move on to the next folder in your sidebar. Hover over it, click the 3 dots icon, and choose Delete again. Continue repeating this same process for every project folder you want to remove. The goal is to work through each folder one by one until your sidebar is empty. As you do this, take a moment to double check each project before deleting it, especially if it contains important task details or notes. Once a project is deleted, it's gone from that folder, so being careful here can save you from accidentally removing something you still need. If you have a lot of projects, this may take a little time, but it's still much faster than trying to reorganize everything manually. And once you've deleted all the project folders, your Todoist sidebar should be cleared out and ready for a fresh start. So that's it. You've now learned how to reset Todoist by deleting your project folders one at a time. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step app guides, productivity tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.